finished, she saw me there. And she was really embarrassed. But let me tell you, this girl has got nothing to be embarrassed about. She went up against all the high school people and actually won the competition. She actually sung Love the Way You Lie. That's the only song I've actually seen Eden or heard Eden sing. Tonight she's going to sing a different song for us, so I'm really looking forward to seeing it. Dead set talented. She said that she learned to play this song from listening to it on the computer. Went outside, strummed a few chords, worked out what it was, then sort of discovered that she could sing a little bit. Well, she can sing a whole lot. So I really hope you're looking forward to this. This is one of the ones I've been really looking forward to tonight. So, ladies and gentlemen, to sing the Cranberry song Zombie, can you please, with a big Trekkie round of applause, welcome Eden Bernard.